In this video I am showing you how you can turn off background apps on Android. So firstly open your device settings and then scroll down to the apps and then click on the apps here and from here you have to open the manage apps and in the search bar you can type anything. So let's see, I type the Instagram. So Instagram and then search it. So when you are here you have to scroll down to the permissions tab, and in the permissions tab you can see the battery saver most bottom in option. Tap on the battery saver and here you can find the restrict background activity. So this is also the last option. So tap on the restrict background activity and it is saying that in the most bottom apps will be closed in the background. This might make them misbehave. So you can tap on the OK and now restrict background activity. Apps will be closed to save power. So you have to simply follow this process and you can turn off the background activity of any apps. So that's it, at how you can turn off background apps on Android in 2021. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video. And also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.